Amid the shock of loss lie questions about how and why the Titan disappeared. And foremost among them is a single query. Was this ever safe? The submersible was never certified for use, but a loophole allowed it to operate at the Titanic wreck site, as in these previous missions, because these are international waters. 5 years ago, the Marine Technology Society wrote to OceanGate saying it feared the company's experimental approach could result in negative outcomes from minor to catastrophic. It was a dispute that was never resolved and still haunts one of the writers of that letter.
To do 5 passengers, it does push the envelope, and you've got to do the numbers right. OceanGate was taking a strategy of, well, we intentionally break the rules because we can do it better and faster. It leaves us in a very tragic situation. All of us in this technical field are sincerely driven by a deep duty of care, and unfortunately that takes time.
The submersible industry is a thriving one. This Dutch company sells models for exploration, research and personal use. Unlike the Titan vessel, these all have to pass a long process of safety checks before they can be sold.
Certify the design, they certify the materials, and they will inspect every stage of the build. And once a submarine is ready, we will go with them to the actual diving depth of these submarines and test every safety system again and again for each submarine. And by the time we're finished, we'll have a half container load of paperwork.
These machines don't go anywhere near the depth of Titan. They're designed to fall hundreds, not thousands of metres. But they do tell us something about what it must have been like on board. This submersible is very different from Titan. It's got much better communications, it's more modern, you've got these acrylic screens so you can see outside. But a big similarity are the dimensions. Put 5 people in here and it will feel cramped. You can't even stand up straight. Now that's all right for a couple of hours, but for a few days, that would be extremely unpleasant. For the moment, this is an industry shocked by what it's seeing and hearing, but it also wants to know what went wrong and why. Adam Parsons, Sky News in the Netherlands.